Hi guys, it's Neetu, and today I'm reviewing the Innisfree Orchid Enriched Cream and the Innisfree Orchid Night Cream. I love these two products and I've been using them throughout the winter, most of the winter anyway. And yeah, they are extremely moisturizing, hydrating, and I love it for that. I haven't noticed any other effects from them, but first, I'm going to tell you about this one, and I have taken pictures to show you the ingredients and things that are written on it in English. So the Orchid Enriched Cream as well as the Night Cream smell really good. It smells lightly floral and sweet, so it's just a light, subtle kind of scent. It's not very heavy at all. The Enriched Cream is a bit kind of gel-like, and so when you apply it, it is extremely moisturizing, and you just need a little bit. A little bit really does go a long way with this. The only downside that I had with it is that it's a bit sticky. So over that, if you put a different cream that's not sticky, then that will, mattify your face a bit. But so the only downside that I have to that is that it's a bit sticky. So that's what the cream looks like. It looks very light. It's very easily spreadable. It smells amazing. It's actually very heavy though, and very extremely moisturizing. So this is fantastic. So now that I put it on, it really makes my skin feel and look smoother, and it really is just like the most moisturizing cream that I have, and I love it for that. But now when I touch it, it feels kind of tacky or a bit sticky. Not extremely sticky, but a bit sticky, and so that's kind of good if you think that it helps like your makeup to stick on your skin better. But I actually like to put another cream over it to combat that. The Etude House Dust Cut line really helps combat the stickiness, and so make sure that, because like when if my skin is sticky, I think that also dust and dirt can also stick to my skin as well when it touches it. So I need to put something over that to combat the stickiness. So the Dust Cut line works, and the Innisfree Orchid Enriched Night Cream that I have also works at night, because that is absolutely not sticky. And if you put that over, I don't know about the day cream because I haven't tried it, but with the night cream, you can put that over the enriched cream and it'll help, it'll make your face not sticky anymore actually. So this line is supposed to be anti-aging. I haven't seen any effects or felt any anti-aging effects. It's supposed to be whitening. I don't really, or like brightening, but I haven't really seen or felt that, noticed that. The only thing that I've noticed is that it helps my skin, be hydrated, and it really moisturizes extremely well. It smells great. It makes my skin feel and I think look smoother as well. And so when you put the makeup over that, I feel like it does make the makeup look better as well. So what I love about this, besides the fact that it's by Innisfree, and Innisfree is my favorite brand because of the fact that most of their things, or all of their products, are paraben free. Most of their products are silicone free. A lot of their products also have minimal amounts of alcohol in it, or no alcohol in it. This one does have fragrance in it, so that's the only thing that is not so good about it, I think. But I've tried mixing this like they do in the commercials, and like they say you can mix this with other creams. I've tried mixing it with the night cream, but I like using this best, and I feel that it's used best when you put a thin layer all over your clean skin, and then you can put your night cream or other creams over that. Because if you mix it in, like I said, it's a bit sticky, so it can make your face a bit sticky, and then I don't know, but I just don't like that. So the next product I want to talk about is the night cream, the Orchid Night Cream, and this is much more balmier, more buttery kind of cream. There it is. It's a lot thicker and heavier, and when I put this on, I don't feel like it's sticky. So this is just, it is very smooth. It smells very nice. And I feel like it's kind of protective as well. I didn't notice any of the anti-aging, whitening. I haven't noticed any effects from either of these two products other than moisturizing. And I do think that they're very moisturizing and just wonderful products, and I really enjoyed using them and enjoyed using them, especially in the winter, but they are too heavy for me in the summer. I have dry skin, but in the summer my skin becomes combination. It says on the box that it also has pore care, so it's supposed to, you know, help with the acne in your pores as well. I haven't noticed that, but I haven't broken out from these products either. So I'm just a bit hesitant to use this in the summer and spring. Well, during some of the spring I did use it, but then my skin started to become a bit oilier in certain areas, so then I stopped using it because, you know, I needed to use something lighter, honestly. Well, that's it. That's my review of the Innisfree Orchid Enriched and Orchid Night Cream. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!